Hello, I'm Derek Howard, and I'm delighted to be facilitating the IMI Unlocking B2B Business Development Program. If you are a business owner, a consultant, a senior client-facing leader in professional services, or a key account manager, and you want to be more successful at managing and growing your business, then this program is for you. On this hands-on and participative program, we will explore the best practices in developing and activating your business growth strategy. We will cover all aspects of the business development or sales cycle, from networking and relationship building to opportunity generation and conversion. We'll also explore how best to respond to and to win in competitive proposal situations and to successfully negotiate more profitable fees for your work. The output of this program will be practical, actionable insights and tools that you can use immediately to drive your personal impact and your business success. If this course is of interest to you, please get in touch with our team and we'd be happy to share more details with you as you start your business growth journey. Have a lovely rest of the day.